how this Python script generates me income daily, using data science and programming knowledge to start a passive income stream. I recently started a new website, but how do I monetize it? Having a site that should generate a passive income is not easy. The first thing you need to do is to place ads. But what good are these ads if you can't generate traffic? Let's generate traffic and put our programming skills to use. Traffic requires SEO, search engine optimization. There are various parts that are involved in generating traffic. Other than quality content, URL, images, and so on, what really matters are the keywords you use. This is where my Python programming knowledge came in handy. I wanted to generate keywords, tags, that are not only relevant to my topic but should also be trending on Google. First, the code. This is where I created the script below. Then the dependencies. The packages required to run this script are explanation of the script. I copy and paste my article contents into a text file, text_file.txt. Then the code picks up the file and gives me the keywords as a comma-separated string. To achieve this, 1. I have created a class called KeywordsGenerator. 2. This class has a function, generate_tags. 3. The function generate_tags performs the following tasks. Gets contents from a text file. Cleans the text using NLP by tokenizing the sentences into words, removing punctuations, numbers, and so on. Gets top relevant words by their occurrences. Then for each word, gets trending similar terms from Google by using the